Hello everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhindar. Department Electrical Engineering, Subject Electrical Substation Practices, Subject Code 22633, Semester 6. Chapter number 6, Gas Insulated Substation, that is GIS, Gas Insulated Substation. So we have to see the syllabus and content of this chapter. So first, need of the gas insulated substation. Then we have to see the essential and main parts of the gas insulated substation. After that, which are the advantages of gas insulated substation. Then drawbacks of the gas insulated substation. After that, a single line diagram of gas insulated substation. Then partial discharge monitoring, routine, preventive and breakdown maintenance of the gas insulated substation, safety practices followed during the routine test, preventive test and breakdown test and maintenance test for the gas insulated substation. Then firefighting components or firefighting equipment used in gas insulated substation. So these are the content of gas insulated substation of chapter number 6. So we have to see the one by one each and every content of gas insulated substation. First, we have to see the need of the gas insulated substation. Why gas insulated substation are the required? We see nowadays there is unbearable air pollution due to the various causes or due to the various reasons behind the air pollution, and that reason including the substation maybe that is the one of the reason behind the air pollution. So a multi-component assembly is open to air subjected to the environmental pollution in other types of the substation. But if a such component are enclosed in metallic enclosure and that totally enclosed and we have to fill in insulated gas inside that, then we will provide the protection to our environment. Then low amount of the air pollution may be there take place or the less air pollution may be there take place if the totally enclosed are used instead of the power systems. So that the air-filled insulated gas in the substation is made airtight, then air pollution can be avoided, which is need for the today's and it is also needed for the futures also. If we provide the protection to the environment by avoiding the air pollution, so we can directly provide protection to our environment, and which is essential for the today. It is essential for futures also. So gas insulated is one of the such systems which has polluted pre-working because of totally enclosed air and gas are filled in that chamber. Gas insulated required a very small area as comparison with the conventional substation. The area requirements for the conventional is other substation is large and area requirement for the gas insulated substation is very small. And the main advantages of gas insulated, it provides the protection to the environment by avoiding air pollution. Gas insulated substation required much less civil engineering works for the foundation, so the cost is much less and being fully enclosed, maintenance is very less because of totally enclosed device. And so the avoid the air pollution to save the land because of the area requirement is the less, where the pre-land is a problem, save the cost and maintenance charges we need for the gas insulated substation. So lot of advantages of the gas insulated substation is provide the protection to the environment to avoid the air pollution. It require the less area as compared to the conventional substation, and it required less civil engineering works for the foundation, so that the cost of that is less, being the fully enclosed, so maintenance cost is also less, and it provides the protection to the environment for the avoid the air pollution. So these are the advantages of the gas insulated substation and need of the gas insulated substation. Now we have to see the which types of the gas are used for the gas insulated substation. So SF6 sulfur hexafluoride gas are the used in gas insulated substation to provide the protection. And the main purpose of that, before filling gas in that substation, we have to check the properties, physical properties, chemical properties, dielectric properties of that gas. Before fill the gas inside the cylinder, it is in liquid form. So that liquid is heated at 15 degrees Celsius. At that temperature, that liquid are converted into the gas form, and hence these gas easily feed inside the cylinder, and proper packing of the cylinder is the take place. If the leakage problem is the arise, then it is very dangerous to the human health, and it is also dangerous to the electrical substation, which affect the other components also, and which damage the other component also. It also damage the whole substation in case of the gas leakage or the short circuit or the or any other problem may be the around. So we have to avoid this problem, and continuity of the supply is the maintained with the help of gas insulated substation. Gas insulated require much less civil engineering work and provide the protection. And we have to see the properties of the gas insulated substation. It classified into the properties: physical properties, chemical properties, dielectric properties. Physical property consists: physically it is colorless, odorless, non-inflammable, non-toxic. This is the physical properties. Chemical properties: chemically it is inert gas, it is electronegative, stable at 500 degrees Celsius. This is the chemical properties of the gas insulated substation. And dielectric properties: dielectric strength of these devices having the more as compared to the other circuit breaker. In this content, we have to see the only the need of the gas insulated substation. Why the gas insulated is the substation are the required. So the main things is that less area is the required, less maintenance as the required because of the totally enclosed, and it provides the protection to the environment to avoid the air pollution because totally enclosed gas filled inside the cylinder, and hence it provides the protection. So this is also the need of the gas insulated, and less civil engineering work for the foundation, so the cost of that may be the less. So these are lot of advantages of the gas insulated substation, and which is used in recently period. In Japan, there may be the most of the gas insulated substation are the used for the electrical supply, and they can easily transfer the electric power from one place to the another place with the help of the gas insulated substation. A lot of gas created and then easily feed inside the cylinder, and which is useful for the electrical substation, which is that is also used for the other purpose, and gas insulated substation are also used for the backup protection in case of the failure of the main supply. Then by using the gas insulated substation we can continuity supply maintain. So that is also the advantages and need of the gas insulated substation. Thank you students.